For the 30th straight year, carbon dioxide emissions have reached an all-time high. Carbon dioxide pollution not only negatively affects the atmosphere, but also the world's oceans. To counteract these effects, there are many changes that can be made. These changes include countries working to shift from fossil fuel energy to a clean, renewable energy.
Carbon dioxide gets emitted into the atmosphere by the burning of fossil fuels, such as coal, oil, and other natural gases to produce energy.
Luckily, solutions for climate change are relatively simple, and many efforts are being made to reverse its effects. One such example is the Paris Climate Accord, whose goal is to cap temperature rise at 1.5 degrees centigrade, along with a long-term goal of keeping temperature rise to 2 degrees centigrade above pre-industrial revolution levels. This is accomplished by converting to more sustainable energy sources that don't release carbon dioxide into the atmosphere. These alternatives include hydroelectric power, thermal energy, wind power, and solar power.
Hydroelectric power is generated by water from a reservoir behind a dam rushing over a turbine, which powers an electric generator, in turn creating energy. Some of the big drawbacks of hydroelectric power that environmentalists argue are that the dams used in the resulting reservoirs can ruin the habitats of various fish, create stagnant bodies of water, and ruin the migration patterns of many animals.
Another method of renewable energy is geothermal energy. Geothermal energy is a perfect way to create energy since it can be collected without the burning of any fossil fuels. Geothermal power plants create energy from reservoirs of hot water deep below the surface, naturally heated by the core. These reservoirs create steam, which then spin a turbine to create electricity. One complaint of geothermal energy is that it is very costly to build a geothermal power plant.
A different type of renewable energy many people know about is wind energy. Energy is generated when wind blows over windmill blades, which spin a turbine, generating electricity. Similar to hydropower, wind power also has a few negative impacts to the environment. Some impacts include degradation of wildlife habitats and the risk the spinning turbine blades pose to flying animals.
The final method to produce renewable energy is through solar power. Solar power works by capturing photons of light in solar panels to create an electric field, rather than spinning a turbine. Solar panels are one of the most efficient and affordable methods to provide renewable energy to homes.